Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Nini, and in today's video I want to unbox a new handbag from LV 2022 summer collection. So on March 25th, the new collection has launched, and on that day my SA have charging me for the bag as I was put on reserve, and to my surprise the bag is arriving at my house the very next day, March 26th. I was like super impressed by how fast he did the shipping for me, and I was so happy. But I didn't have time to do the whole filming until like today, so it is a few days late. But yeah, let's enjoy the new handbag from the spring and summer collection. So this is the box that is come in with, and OMG, it's huge. The bag not supposed to be this big, but this box is very big and heavy, so I am very surprised. I am not sure what they put inside, but let's open it and see. Ooh, what did I got myself into? Wow, the box is so heavy. I don't know if they shipped me the wrong item. So I really like this SA that I have an opportunity to purchase from the past few times. He is very helpful and very nice. I am very happy that I met him. OMG, the box is big. So inside of the big box it came the smaller orange box, and he also include a a book for me. Oh, so nice. Wow, I will totally gonna go through this. I'm gonna set this here. Actually, it looks so nice. I love it. Also it's come with a return shipping label just in case if I need to return it. That is very nice. I mean, this is one of the bags that is on my wish list for the longest time, and finally it came out with a version that I am falling in love with just by looking at the pictures. But hopefully it's working out for me, so this going to be one of my forever bags. And I really like my SA because I mean I have been shopping at LV for the past 3 years, and they never wrap the bag like this. Never. OMG, he is always doing beyond better. So inside it does come with the receipt, and this one is from the shop 5th Avenue. So this is the bag that come in that super huge box. So if you watch my previous video about the upcoming collection that's launched on March 25th, then you know that I reserved this piece and it is coming to me. So let's introduce you guys to the Neonoe or Neonoe BB, and this is in the Damier Azur, and inside is rose Valerie lining. Oh my god, it's just so cute. First look, I am in love. I have never purchased any of the Damier Azur before, even though I admire the Damier Azur print very much. It's just that lighter colors always scare me, but I think I am old enough to be responsible for lighter color bag. And also it's come in for the Noe nail, and I am just falling in love by looking at the pictures, and I am counting down the day to be able to see this bag in person. Now this has come to the point if I am in love with this bag. I think I am. I think this is going to be one of my forever piece in my collections. So you see this top handle is come with the braided top handle. And just because of this top handle, this bag has become so much expensive. And Neonoe BB does come with a removable crossbody strap. So this strap is also in the white color, and the hardware is in the gold. And this is recyclable, so right now I could be wearing this as a shoulder top, shoulder bag. And then I could also turn it into a crossbody bag. And I'm gonna do that when I do the mug shot videos for you guys to see. But right now, let's go into the detail of this bag. So the bag is in the size BB, which is the smaller size compared to the one that came out before. I am really in love with this type of like the bucket bag. It just seems so cute, and I just really liked LV to have made it into 2 separate compartments. Nothing big, nothing fancy. In the middle there is this really flat compartment right here that is come with the snap button, so you can unsnap. And if it's me, I'm gonna put my credit card holder in there. And also because it's divided in 2, so I could totally organize my stuff in a way that is very easy to become like accessible to me. I really like that options. I came into LV to check out most of their Noe nail before. Neonoe. Okay, I always got that mess up, but it's just so hard to remember. But yes, I check out this bag from time to time from all different versions of it because I truly want to have this in my collections. It's just that up until this point, none of the versions of this bag came out and has really caught my attention to the point that I want to own it. Except last year when they came out with the By the Pool collections and the colorway, it's just so... I cannot get my hands on any of the bag from that collections, and it's one of my biggest regrets up until now. But this year I think I am much happier with these versions because I have always been wanting to have a Damier Azur in my collections. I have always wanted to have a Neonoe BB in my collections, and now I can have both in just one go, and I just feel like it's meant to be. This bag is meant to be for me. So this bag is retail for $2,440. Yes, seriously. For quite some time I was debating whether or not if I should purchasing this bag, but I was thinking about it for quite some time, and I was like, since this is going to be one of my forever bag if I am falling in love with it, eventually LV just gonna increase the price, and somewhere a year from now, 2 years from now, the bag is just going to be higher and higher. So may as well purchase it now and keep it as a forever bag. So even though I am not 100% happy with the price, but I still think that this price is doable compared to most of the other brand, and it is still as a price that I am willing to pay for. So $2,440 is the price of this Neo BB in the Damier Azur. So I am definitely not planning to be wearing this bag with black clothes, but I just got home from work and I just have to film right away now, so I didn't even want to change. But yeah, so I will only be wearing this bag with lighter color clothing because I am afraid of the color transfer. But let me show you how the Neonoe BB look. So this is the top handle. It's very comfortable to be held. I am a little scared that this light color could be, you know, standing as if you held, you like holding it, and then the sweat or if like any type of liquid gonna get standing on it really fast. But then it's just so beautiful. I don't want to cover it up, so it is a hard decision. So yes, this is how it's gonna look when I hold this top handle. So it's just the right size for me. I am roughly 5'3", so I am very petite. And the regular size Neonoe is really big for me, I feel like. But this in the size BB, it's just at the right size for me. So it's staying against my body really comfortably, because even though it is such a square shape, but then it's not super bulky, and because it's just of a softer material, so it doesn't look bulky when it's against my body. I feel comfortable carry it as a top handle because this handle is really comfortable. And this is the strap, so if I want to wear it as a shoulder bag, I could totally wear it as a shoulder bag because like I say, because this is a softer material, so it doesn't feel bulky and it rests against my body really comfortably. So I really like to wear this as a shoulder bag. And again, there is a options that you could be wearing this as a crossbody, but I am not gonna wear it as a crossbody. I rarely wear my bag as the crossbody style, so you can just snap the button like that. But this is how it's gonna look as a crossbody. I think it's a little bit low for me. If it's rest like I guess here, then it would be more perfect for me because I'm so short. But when I wear it as a crossbody, it is does sit at a comfortable length, comfortable size. And I am not going to wear it crossbody because I feel like it's a little bit too bulky to be wear as a crossbody. But it's always a lot better when you know you have an option to do so. Option is better than no option, right? So sometimes you do need to be able to wear it as a crossbody. You know, you run into a situation from time to time, and to be able to do this as a crossbody is also a awesome option. So I have to give this a thumb up. I am in love with this. I am telling you, I really love this bag. I just can't wait for summer to be around so I can go out with this beautiful cutie little bag. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you haven't done so, consider to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for future video from me. Again, do you like this bag? Leave me a comment down below for your thought on this bag. I am super in love with it, and I can't wait to be able to wear it soon. not anytime soon because it's in rainy season here in Chicago right now, so I cannot wear it anytime soon, but I just can't wait until, you know, a nice day to be able to wear it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back on my next video. Bye bye.